Okay, today from 24/7 Wall Street, we have their list for the 3 quantum stocks that could be the next Nvidia. I'm Hugh from Wall Street X, and starting off their list at number 3, they have D-Wave Quantum. They cite D-Wave because the site they like the pace at which they're developing technologies. They like the recent pullback as well and think investors can take advantage of that. Their 1-year return is 727%. They've been doing insanely well this year. The analyst rating is still a strong buy. Analysts think there's an 11% upside for this time next year. They're not currently profitable, but their price to sales is priced very, very high. 327 is the number I'm seeing. If you put a target price to sales of like 4 or 5, that means there's 9.9 years built in at a revenue growth of like 50% year over year. No dividend, obviously, but our rating is a sell. We don't think it's going to go down that much. Our target's negative 1.5%, but the last 3 earnings calls they have missed, and most insiders are selling, so we're a bit bearish on this one right now. Number 2 is Rigetti Computing that they list. Again, another quantum company that is doing very well right now. Like D-Wave, they're saying that investors should probably wait and take advantage of the pullback that's going on right now before getting in on this. And they also cite some recent purchase orders that amount to like $6 million that the company secured. The 1-year return for this is 965%. Quantum stocks have been doing very well this year. The average analyst rating is still a strong buy. They think there's a 7.5% upside over this next year. Not profitable again. Their price to sales is even crazier than D-Wave's at over 1,000, which leaves a lot of years built in, even given some really impressive revenue growth. It's easy to grow your revenue when it's this small. Our rating right now is a strong sell. The WSX price target for 1 year is negative 13.5%. 5.7 million is not a lot of purchase orders, not a lot of revenue for a company with a market cap of almost 8 billion. This is very speculative, and we are a sell mostly due to the risk factor being so high with this one. And number 1 stock, the number 1 that they have on this list is IonQ. They like them because IonQ is the go-to for quantum stocks right now, and they're citing management's prediction of a 2030 profitability timeline. The 1-year return isn't as impressive as the other 2. It's 53%. Analyst rating is a strong buy. 28% is how high they think it's going to go next year. Not profitable again. Price to sales is like 184 if you target 4. Even at a revenue growth of about 80% year over year, you're looking at like 6 years built in just to bring it down to a reasonable valuation. No dividend again. We actually align with this and are a strong buy. Our algorithm says 35% is how high it's going to go this time next year. They are the industry leader right now, and they're constantly pushing boundaries, which is why so many people constantly cite IonQ as the top of their list for this sort of thing, which makes it the go-to. But while we have this as a strong buy, that is with the caveat that comes with the other 2, and that is quantum technology is still unproven, and there's still limited use cases, which increases that risk a lot. So if you're going to invest in this, do so very carefully. Do your research, just like anything. And those are going to be the 3 top stocks that could be the next Nvidia, according to 24/7 Wall Street. You can visit us at wallstreetexec.com for more content and ratings. Otherwise, have a great night, and thanks for watching.